Like yours. Yours, yes! Woo!
Okay, Colt, what color do you want next?
Pull yours out now. I bet yours is
Do
done.
you want yellow?
Yeah, that color.
I mean, you're pulling it out the wrong way.
Well, I think she's got the thing upside down.
She does.
You want some help?
There you go. Now pull it out.
Yes, now what color do I want?
Gently.
I
Remember, gently.
Oh, did Grandma get it?
No,
Just
that's
put it
not
in.
show up
It'll turn
one.
that part green.
Okay, which color do you want now, Em?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, let's ask if we can borrow this blue. Okay, ready? Now this one will dye your hands because it is food dye, so drop it in gently.
Mine's so pretty.
It is
It's
so pretty.
dark. It's dark.
It's very dark, isn't it?
Mine's good. Mine's finally done.
That one done?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's done. This one doesn't take long, I bet. Nope. Pull it out.
Okay, what color
Pull
do
it
you
out
want
and put it
next?
over here. Come on.
That color.
Pink?
Here, Mama.
Here.
Ah.
There you go. Pick it up and put it in there.
what
Good
color you
job.
want
Just put it in there. Good job. What color do you want now?
I want green.
Ready? Drop it gently. Gently.